Hello, good morning to all of you. A very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Am I audible and with all of you? Just let me know so that we can begin our class. I think today is the last class of mine in this ABC program. Good morning, everyone. Just let me know that am I audible and visible to all of you. Good morning, Bache. Good morning. Good morning. Sir, tomorrow starts offline classes. Huh? Yes. Tomorrow we start offline classes. Good morning, everyone. Good to see people here in these ABC classes. But since this is the last class of mine in this ABC program, so not feeling that good. I hope that you people are getting some benefit from these ABC classes. Is that right or not? Good morning, everyone. Right. So let me ask you one basic question. Before we begin, to pump up the class, that what things you have learned in these ABC classes? In the last 5 classes, what you have learned? Like, I have an idea that what my kids are learning out here. And yes, obviously, we begin our offline classes tomorrow. And tomorrow we start the journey for our 2026 battle. And trust me, this is going to be very, very up and battle. Maza aane wala sabko. And I'm talking to all my friends out here, all the teachers out here who are taking the senior classes and the junior classes. And everyone is like pump up. They are all telling me that we have upgraded ourselves and we are preparing our kids, for this 26 paper in case it's like, say, more so like 25 or whatever. We are going to prepare the students for any kind of situation, right? So, okay, let's begin with some questions now, okay? And we'll learn the concepts on the way. So first question of the day is that which has maximum volume, right? Okay, the first question I'm saying is, like, say 6 gram of hydrogen, all of that is at STP, right, under similar conditions. Second, let me say 44.8 liter of say O2. Third one is, say 4 gram molecule of CO2, right? And fourth one, let me give you, is 6 into 10 to power of 22 H2S molecules. Come on, let me know that stuff. Which will have maximum volume. And one thing I'm trying to teach you all these days is that just focus, have a good focus. These classes here are not about your mathematical skills, they are more about your focus skills. That are you able to catch that keyword? Come on. As of now, we only have Charan and Janvi giving the answer. I want everyone out there to give the right answer. Come on, be quick. Be very quick, everyone. Dikshit. Okay. And like it normally doesn't happen, but it is happening in our class for the very first time that you guys are giving me one answer, right? Otherwise, we play holy with the answers. We get colorful answers. Okay. This is so simple one, right? So boys and girls are having the unity. Normally we are on the say different sides of the battle. Good to see you on the same side. Okay, very good. All of you are giving one answer, but I need more answers. Come on. Santosh, Seema, Hasini, where is your answer? Okay, we got Sujita as well, right? Good one. Be quick. Simple question. Great. At least half of the class should give this answer. I mean, it's such a simple question, right? Or else write anything. Just give me an illusion that that you are all learning. Boys first, sir. Who was the boy? Charan was the first, right? Charan was the first to give, and Janvi was second, right, in that competition. And let me tell you, Charan, that this competition is not about speed only. This is more about your accuracy, the correct answer, right? So, chalo. Let's see that who is correct. 6 gram of hydrogen. Weight is the most useless entity in the world of physical chemistry. The most important entity is what? Mole, right? So we'll convert this weight into moles. Number of moles of hydrogen will be how much? 6 upon molecular weight. What is that? 2. Come on, 3 moles. So number of moles of hydrogen is what? 3. If it is 3, then volume is equal to number of moles into 22.4 liter at STP, right? So N is how much? 3. So 3 into 22.4. How much? Come on. 67.2 liters. Yes or no? 44.8 liter of O2 is definitely less than, it is less than what? 67.2 liter. So between first and second, first is the correct answer, right or not? Now let us look at the third one. Let us look at third one. So third one, the keyword is what? Gram molecule. Gram molecule. I'm not saying 4 gram of CO2. I'm saying 4 gram molecule. 4 gram molecule means what? It's a different way of saying what? 4 mole of CO2, and 4 mole of CO2 will be 4 into 22.4 liter, which happens to be 89.6 liter. Agree or not? Agree or not? So boys gave the first wrong answer. So from that perspective, girls has won this match, right? And these many molecules, the number of moles will be how many? Number of molecules given 22 upon 6 into 10 to power of 23. Yes or no? Cancel up. This is 1 by 10 moles. 1 by 10 mole. So volume will be how much? Number of moles, that is 1 by 10 into 22.4 equal to what? 2.24 liter. This is the least one. And the highest one is what? Third one. 4 gram molecule of CO2. I told you it's not about your numerical ability. It's about your focus, your understanding of the concepts, right? Arvinda says that we made mistake together, but still with unity. Okay, yeah, you are together in the right things as well as in the crime as well. So partners in crime, good one. No, Charan, it's not about being sorry. It's about learning that. So during all these 6 classes, my purpose is to make sure that my students learn that it's more about your focus, more about understanding the chemistry in the question, catching the right keywords. It's not about mathematics itself only. Physical chemistry is more than mathematics, right? Getting it? So shall we do some more questions on the same aspect? Okay, chal. Okay, come. Let's say one more question. Which has maximum moles? Which has maximum moles, right? First one, 6 into 10 to power of 24 molecules of H2. Second one is what I can say. Okay, 40 gram of helium moles. So, okay. Third one is 12 gram atom of carbon, and fourth one is 18 liter of water. 18 liter of water as liquid. Which has got maximum number of moles? So here we have the first answer. Santosh says first and second. Boys are united in that. First and second. Now we are playing holy. So now we are getting different answers, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful while giving your answers. Right. Okay. Ramya is shouting loudly, sir, this fourth. And we have got Santosh equally in the volume saying third, right? Okay, right. Okay. So let's see that now. I think we have got our answers. Kavya is like on her throat basically right now. Third. Okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Don't get excited. Let's solve it, right? It's all about getting settled, right? Okay. So these many molecules. So number of moles will be number of molecules 10 to power of 24 upon 6 into 10 to power of 23 Avogadro's number. Cancel out. 10, right? And 40 gram of helium. Number of moles, weight, convert into number of moles. Come on, weight upon atomic weight. Helium is an atom. So upon 4 equal to what? 10. So 10, 10 equal. So as of now, first and second are in equal amount, right? Now 12 gram atom. It is what? Gram atom. It is what? Gram atom, right? So which means what? 12 mole. So 12 mole is way higher than 10. So among first, second, and third is the clear winner, right? Now see this thing. See this thing. Fourth one, be careful with the values given, right? They are going to play with your psyche. This is 18 liter, and 18 liter is what? 18,000 ml. It is what? 18,000 ml. And density of water is what? 1 gram per ml. What is the meaning of that? 1 ml has a weight of what? 1 gram. 1 ml has a weight of 1 gram. So 18,000 ml, 18,000 ml will have how much of weight? 18,000 gram, right or not? So the weight of water is how much? 18,000 gram. And if it is 18,000 gram, what will be the number of moles? Number of moles of water will be weight 18,000 divided by molecular weight 18. Come on, it is 1000 moles. Oh, way higher than 12 moles. I think 80 liter water means 1000 moles. It is correct. Ramya is correct. You were correct. So I believe the girls were giving. Seema gave me the right answer. Hasini, no, Janvi gave me the right answer. Right? Yep. And Ramya gave me the right answer. Ramya was very much loud about her answer, right? 1000 moles. So here the girls have won the match. Boys, if I look at this scorecard, that this is girls versus say boys, we are leading by 1-0. Right? So can I go for the next question? Is that clear or not to all of you? Is that clear or not? These things. You need to focus, basically. You need to focus. It is not 18 ml. It is not 18 ml. They play with your psyche, right? They are aware that what kind of mistakes you can make. Okay. Let's do one more question. Okay. Just try it out. Okay. The question says, find weight of carbon. Find weight of carbon in 0.5 mole. 0.5 mole K4 FeCN6 potassium ferrocyanide. Find weight of carbon in 0.5 mole K4 FeCN6. Be quick. Okay, Kavya is again number 1 this time. Ashrit, just a couple of seconds late. Good one. Right. Oh, right. Okay, Ben Stokes also joins this battle now. Good one. Ben Stokes, I mean, boys need you. I mean, they are like way behind. So let's solve it now. Okay. So see, if I take 1 mole K4 FeCN6, if I take 1 mole of entire compound, how many moles of carbon are there in that? 6 moles, right or not? Will contain 6 mole carbon. And they're saying 0.5 mole, 0.5 mole. So 0.5 mole of this compound will contain 6 into 0.5. How much? 3 mole. 3 mole of carbon. Once you know the mole, I believe that you can easily calculate the weight of that. So weight is equal to what? Number of moles into atomic weight. Carbon is an atom, so number of moles is 3 for carbon. Atomic weight is what? 12. So 12 3s are 36 gram, right? I believe everyone has given the right answer. Everyone. Good to see that. Good to see that. I mean, okay. Okay, shall we move forward? Okay, come here. Come here. Do one more question. Okay. Okay. Find percentage of weight of hydrogen in water. In water. Simple as that. Find percentage of weight of hydrogen in water. Come on, be quick. We'll do some questions of percentage today to get the clarity of percentage, right? Right. Right. You can give me approximate answer as well. Good one. I mean, see, if I take water, water contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, right or not? And weight of 2 hydrogen atoms, I mean, will be like, say, if I take 2 moles of that, it will be 2 gram. And if I take 1 mole of oxygen atom out here, it will be 16 gram. Yes or no? So, and total weight is how much? Total weight is 2 plus 16 equal to what? 18. Out of 18, only 2 gram is hydrogen. So the percentage of hydrogen, let's talk about that. So out of 18, we have got 2 gram of hydrogen, right? So out of 100 gram, it will be how much? 2 into 100 upon what? 18, that is 9, approximately 11.1 percentage, right or not? So what is percentage? It is amount which is present in 100 gram is called percentage of hydrogen, right or not, in this compound. Can we go with the next question with the percentage? Okay. 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 Let me do one thing. We have got C6H12O6 glucose, right? So you have to find out percentage of carbon and percentage of hydrogen and percentage of oxygen in one glucose molecule or 1 mole of glucose. Charan, oxygen will be 1800. Right. Now try to find it out. Come on. Percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Be quick. Okay. Sharon has given 40 as answer. Good one. Hasani, you are saying 11.1 of this answer? Okay, Charan has given a complete answer. Carbon 40, hydrogen 6, and 50 approx for, I believe, oxygen. Okay. Everyone should solve it. $25, $50, $25. Sri Chaitra. Ramya says 46 and 54. Okay. Respectively. You got to work on two fronts. First is focus on the question and making sure that calculations are right. And also understand that in the coming years, accuracy will be more important as compared to speed only. We need speed, no doubt about it, but speed will come automatically by practice. But you need to work on focus, the accuracy part, right? Let's work on that, right? Okay, see. So if I take, what is the molecular weight of glucose? Who will tell me? It is what? 180. Now this is something which everyone knows. The molecular weight of glucose is 180. Now out of 180, what is the weight of carbon? So weight of carbon is equal to 12 into 6. Weight of one carbon is 12. Weight of 6 carbon will be 12 into 6. How much? 72. Or you can keep it just like say 12 into 6, right? As simple as that. So percentage of weight of carbon will be like what? 12 into weight of carbon, or I'll make it like even simple for you people. Like say out of 180, the weight of carbon is what? 12 into 6. So out of 100, it will be how much? 100 into 12 into 6 divided by 180. This will go up, this will come down, right? Now we can break it even. 6, 3, 3, 4. 4 into 10, 40. So percentage of weight of carbon is 40. It's not 25, right? Okay. Okay. Now see that stuff. How much is the weight of hydrogen? So weight of hydrogen was 12. So out of for hydrogen, out of 180, it is like say 12. So out of 100, to get percentage, you need to take out the weight out of. Sir, in question, weight is not mentioned. No. Which weight? We are taking 1 mole of it. Akshay, is that clear or not? We'll take 1 mole of that. Srinivas, I mean, why you are saying 39.6? Now come over here. So out of 100, 12 into 100 upon 180, right? This is gone. Now 3 4s are and 3 6s are, right or not? So this will be like say, or this is 2 or 6 2s are and 6 3s are. So 20 by 3. I'll make it clear in case you are getting a bit confused. This is 12. So 100 into 12 upon 180. Cancel up 10, 6 2, 6 3. This is 2 into 10, 20 upon 3. 20 upon 3 is how much? 6.67. Yes or no? 6.67, 6.6. If you are giving me approximate answer, it is okay. Percentage weight is not mentioned. No, I'm saying percentage of weight only. We are trying to say percentage of weight only. I didn't write it, but I said percentage of weight. That's what I'm saying. Focus on the question properly. Percentage of weight, right? And then what will be oxygen? Either you can find out the weight of oxygen and then solve it, or the remaining percentage will be of oxygen itself. The sum of all the percentage should be what? 100 only. So if you want percentage of weight of oxygen, it will be how much? 100 minus 40 minus of what? 6.67. It will be approximately 53.3. Yes or no? You can do anyhow, right? Sum is 100. Sum of all the percentage is what? 100, right? Okay, now like there is one category of question like which many people are like very weak at, and it is basically the percentage purity. If you will do stoichiometry, there are some questions which normally trouble many students. It is all about percentage purity, right? So shall we do some questions on percentage purity? Like I have seen that many people, they are very weak at the questions of percentage purity, right? And understand, when any reaction will occur, say between A plus B giving you C. Now understand, only purity will react. Only purity will react. Impurity will not react. So it's very important that if they give you a sample, suppose of A, and they say that only this much is pure, then only this much will react. This will not react. Impurities don't react. They don't participate in the reaction. Only purity will react, or the pure compound will react. Yes or no? So let me tell you certain things, right? So I'm giving you one question, like say we are having say 500 gram of sample of calcium carbonate, and it has been given the question that the percentage purity of this compound, of this sample, is say 80%. Is what? 80%. Can you find out the weight of pure calcium carbonate? They're saying that if this is the big sample, and out of that only 80% is pure, rest 20% is what? Impure. So you have to find out the weight of pure calcium carbonate. Only purity will react. Right? Good. Very good. So understand what is the meaning of this thing. Like I believe everyone has given the right answer. That's good. That's pretty good. But I need all of you to give the right answer. Everyone. In case you are giving wrong answer, I'll be focusing on that part even more. And we'll be keep on doing certain questions on the same concept till we are completely clear regarding that. Okay. So what is the meaning of percentage? Again, I told you that when they say that this is say sample, right? And this is what? Pure compound. 80% means out of 100 gram, 80 gram is pure. So they're saying, or they're asking, out of 500 gram, how much will be pure? Out of 100 gram, 80 gram is pure. So out of 500 gram, how much will be pure? Come on, take it up. 500 into 80 and divide by what? 100, right? Cancel up. So 80 into 5 will be 400 gram. Out of 500, only 400 gram is pure. Rest 100 gram is what? Impure. And that 100 gram will not react. It will not react, right? Okay. Okay, let's do one more question. Okay, I'm saying that 40 gram of magnesium sulfate, 40 gram of magnesium sulfate sample. They have taken 40 gram magnesium sulfate sample, and now they're saying that only 40% is pure. 40% is pure. Like, now tell me the weight of pure magnesium sulfate present in the sample. Find the weight of pure magnesium sulfate present in the sample. Come on, solve it. Be quick. It's very important that we have a clarity regarding the basic arithmetic, basic mathematics. Otherwise, we will be in bit trouble, right? Ramya says 44, rest are saying 16. Be quick, everyone. Okay, Nasir also comes with the right answer this time. Hey, only 40% is pure. What is the meaning of this percentage? It means that if you take sample, 100 gram sample, the purity will be how much? 40 gram, right? Out of 100 gram, 40 gram is pure. Right. I believe everyone is giving the right answer. So out of 40 gram sample, how much will be pure? So 40 into 40, take it there and bring 100 grams downside, right? 100. Cancel up. 16 gram will be pure. Yes or no? Now, when you will attempt the question, you will take this as the legible weight. Now, from this, you will find out what number of moles. Because we know that weight is the least important thing in the world of physical chemistry. We'll find out the moles, right? Getting it? So, let's do some question now. Okay, chalo. I'm giving you now one question. It says that we are having 200 gram sample of, say, calcium carbonate, which is, say, 40% pure. Find the number of moles of calcium carbonate present inside the sample. Now, when we say find the number of moles of calcium carbonate, we mean the moles of pure calcium carbonate. We are not looking for impurity. Impurity has got no role to play whatsoever in chemistry. So we have the first answer, and Kirti says 8 moles. We have got 200 gram sample of calcium carbonate, which is 40% pure. Find the number of moles of calcium carbonate present in the sample. Okay, 8, 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, 0.8. You have to fare better in mathematics. Basic mathematics, not even higher mathematics. It's all about 8 or 0.8, right? Right. Let's try it out. I have enough of the answers and I hope that they are correct. So 200-gram sample and 40% is pure. So let's decode the meaning of this 40% pure. It means that if the sample you're taking is 100-gram, out of that the purity is how much? 40-gram. So out of 200-gram, how much will be purity? So 200 into 40 divided by 100. This will be 80 grams. This will be 80 grams, right or not? So that is a pure. This is pure calcium carbonate. Pure calcium carbonate. Now, once you know the weight of pure calcium carbonate, we can easily find out what number of moles. So number of moles of pure calcium carbonate will be weight upon molecular weight. What is the weight? 80. And what is the molecular weight of this calcium carbonate? It's 100. Yes or no? So this is 0.8 moles. 0.8 mole. Some people gave 8 as the answer. Just be careful because you will not be rechecking your calculations back in the examination. It's not easy, right? So we will try to get a right answer in the first go, and that will come by focus in the practice part, right? Okay. Let me ask you. Okay, how many of you people are coming here for tomorrow? We are beginning the long term. Tomorrow onwards, how many of you are coming here? And today we end this ABC program. Ramya is joining us. Good. Welcome out here, Ramya. Who else? Nasser is also coming. Welcome. Sheikh Karim also coming. Chandana also good one. Seema also. Very good. Very good. I mean, please join early and so that you will have extra time available as compared to others, right? Trisha coming. Bonita coming. Good. Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Right. Come on. Okay. We already had, like, say, many people already joining today. So they have joined online, not online, out here. Today they have taken the admission and they are very excited, I mean, to get the classes tomorrow. Hasini will be staying online, right? It's okay. It's your decision. And we respect everyone's decision, right? Out here. Good, Vishal. Welcome. Okay. Here we go. Like, say, if I give you one question, like... H2 plus half O2 giving me H2O, and here I'm saying all of that reactant and products are in gaseous state. I'm saying that all of them are in the gaseous state. So Kavya, you will be coming after 10 days. Seema says, sir, excited for new journey, right? But make sure that when you come out here, that you people should take an oath that you are not going to waste time at all. Like, time is even more important than money. It is more important than anything else. And like, say, see, if I give you money and if I ask you to spend it, like, you will be spending according to your abilities, right? But it is always under control. It is always under control. But the problem with the time is that time is not under control. Suppose when I'm teaching you, you will have a liberty to watch YouTube or Instagram or Snapchat, whatever, right? You are wasting your time. You can't control it. Like, time will be slipping out of your hand. You simply can't do anything about it. Money, you can control that. Suppose I have got, say, 5,000 rupees, right? I may or I may not spend it. But when I'm saying that I can spend money or not, I'm spending my time. This is invisible. So something which is visible, you can control that. Time actually is invisible, and something which is invisible, you generally don't have control over it. If you sleep for more, like, say, 10 more minutes, you still will have 5,000 rupees, right? But 10 minutes are gone. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Time is more important than money. It's more important than money, right? Even we don't realize that, still the time slips away. Just don't waste it. You are not having any idea that how much damage you can do to yourself, right? We people, we live out here on this planet Earth as if we have got infinite amount of time, right? But everyone's time is limited. No, don't waste it. Don't waste it. Like one thing I can tell you is that, I mean, the Bill Gates or Mark Zuckerberg, you, anyone, me also, we all have one thing in common. Each day we are given 24 hours. What we will do with this thing? We will be watching online things. We will be asking all kind of useless questions, or we'll be wasting it in sleeping unnecessarily. A decent amount of sleep is required. That is done by everyone out here, right? What we do, we are wasting in gossiping, friendship, all that stuff. No, don't do it. Don't do it. The people who waste time, they end up in all kind of problems, bache, right? Don't waste it. Utilize the maximum part of it. Okay, come over here. So which of the following statement I am going to write, and all of that is occurring at STP. Entire reaction is occurring at STP. I'm going to write down 4 statement, right, or 3 statement. Let me know that which is correct and which is not correct, right? First statement, I'm saying that, does it mean that one molecule will react with half molecule of O2 to give you 1 molecule of H2O. Second statement, 1 mole of H2 will react with half mole of O2 to give you 1 mole of water. Third one, 1 liter of H2 will react with half liter of O2 to give you what? 1 liter of water. Fourth one, 1 gram of H2 will react with half gram of O2 to give you what? 1 gram of H2O. Which of the following statements are correct? That's my question. Which of the following statements are correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful while before answering it. Think of it. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Be very careful. Entire thing is occurring at STP. And all the ingredients out here are gaseous. Right. Right. Everyone saying 2. Sheikh Kareem is saying 1 and 2. One and 2. Kavya also says 1 and 2. Right. Any other answer? I mean, we have got like these many people, and very few people are answering this question. It's a simple question. This is not even a numerical. Okay, now we have got even more. Tarini saying 1 and 2. Jagna saying 1 and 2. Chandrika saying 1 and 2. Girls are giving the answer. Boys, where are you? Are you sleeping? Hello, you got lost? Come back. They are already leading this battle. Kirti 1 and 2. Srilakshmi 1 and 2. Oh, boys, where are you? लड़के लोग भी नाक कटाएंगे लोग. Girls are doing good. Nasir comes up with 2. Seema comes with 1 and 2. So the majority of the girls are saying 1 and 2 kind of thing. Boys still they are hanging around with 2. Jyoti saying 1 and 2. Right, good. That's it. All. Pavan, Santosh. Where are you all? Sir, first I said, first you said, I know that. But all I need is a correct answer also, right? Hai na? Dikshit says 1 and 2. Okay. Okay. That's all. Right? Sujit says 1 and 2. Right? Okay. Okay. That's it. So one, Seema says 1, 2, 3. Okay, all three are correct. Okay, Revan says 2. Okay, I'll solve it now, right? Okay, boys, is it even possible, or cutting is allowed in the microscopic world? Is cutting allowed in the microscopic world? No, right? Ramya says no, that cutting as an operation is not allowed. If cutting is not allowed, then is it possible? Can I say half molecule of O2? Is it even possible? Half molecule, is it possible? No, it's not easy, it's not allowed, it's not easy, it's impossible. In chemical reaction, it is impossible, right? So if this is not allowed, this must be wrong. So the girls who were saying 1 and 2 correct, 1 to is 100% incorrect. This is correct, but half molecule, no, it's not allowed. It's not allowed, right? So that's why first is incorrect. So Ramya saying, sir, I said 2. Okay. So can I say 1 mole, half mole, and 1 mole? When I say mole, we are in which world? Macroscopic world. And in macroscopic world, cutting is allowed. Yes or no? So I believe second is correct. Second is correct. Are you getting it? So will you like to change your answer now? Will you like to change the answer? Now what is your answer now? Give me again the answer. 2, right. 2, right. 2. 2. Now everyone has understood certain things, right? Good one. Very good. Seema, what about you? You were giving me some different reason. What your answer? Ramya says, sir, if we take 2 molecules of H2 and 1 molecule of O2, we get 2 molecules of H2. That is correct. That is correct. If I take 2 molecules, 1 molecule and 2 molecule, that is correct. That is correct. No doubt about it. That is correct. But half molecule, half atom are not allowed, right? Right. Okay. Come on. Achha, how about this one? 1 gram, half gram, and 1 gram. Why? I'll come, Seema, I'll come. See, beta, half molecule, half atoms, and half molecule are not allowed. In physical chemistry, we can't touch nucleus. When you will cut an oxygen molecule, you will be cutting basically what? The nucleus as well, which is impossible. This is something I have taught you in the first lecture. Like, this is possible or not? Is the fourth correct or not? If it is incorrect, what is incorrect in that? What is incorrect in the fourth option? First, let me know what is wrong with the fourth option. No, there is nothing wrong with the half gram. I can have half gram of oxygen. I can have. And this gram is the unit of macroscopic world. That is allowed, right? That we can do. Idhar dekho. See, this fourth statement is a violation of law of conservation of mass. It is a violation of law of conservation of mass. If I'll add 1 gram plus half gram, I'll be getting 1.5 gram, right? And mass is conserved in chemical reaction, right? But I'm getting how much? 1 gram. I should get ultimately how much? 1.5 gram. So I'm not getting 1.5 gram. That's why this is incorrect, right? And that's why I told you that the mole ratio and the weight ratio are not same out here, right? Is that clear? Is that clear to all of you? And that weight is the least important thing in the world of physical chemistry. If you try to get the answers through weight, you might be in trouble. The reason is that this equation is written in the form of moles. This equation is written in the form of moles, and this data is in the form of what? Grams, weight. Right or not? Okay. So if you have to write down the right equation with the help of weight, then how much you will write down? So 1 mole of H2 will be how much? 2 gram. Half mole of O2 will be how much? 16 gram. Yes or no? 2 plus 16 equal to what? 18 gram. And I'll get what? 1 mole of water. What is that? 18 gram. So 18 grams gives me what? 18 gram. Now this is correct. But this 1, 2, half 16 and 1 and 18, this ratio is not same. This ratio is not same. Yes or no? Right? Is that clear? When you write down the weight, it should follow the law of conservation of mass. Is that clear? To all of you, yes or no? Right? Now let's think about it again. So we are having H2 plus half O2 giving you H2O, right? All of that at STP, same condition of temperature and pressure. All of that are gases. All of them are gases, right? So the right one was 1 mole, half mole, and what? 1 mole, right? Now let us look at the third option. Third option, right? But remember that for gaseous reaction, we have got PV equal to nRT. Will you agree with me? Under the same condition of temperature and pressure and temperature cancels out, right? The ratio will be same. R is a constant. So volume is proportional to what? Number of moles. Volume is proportional to number of moles. That means what? That V1 upon V2 will be equal to what? N1 upon N2. Mole ratio and volume ratio will be same. Yes or no? So can I say that out here, if I take 1 liter and half liter, and this will be like say 1 liter. 1 mole, 1 liter, half mole, half liter, and 1 mole, 1 liter. Can I say that? Yes or no, bache? I'll come there. I'll come that Manvitha. I'll come there also. Don't worry at all. So I believe that this was the second option. This was the third option. So third option is also correct. Now, those people who are believing that, sir, but volume is equal to number of moles into 22.4 liter, right? So let's try that also. So what is 1 mole? What is the volume of 1 mole at STP? 1 into 22.4 liter. Yes or no? What is the volume of half mole? Half into 22.4 liter. Yes or no? And what is the volume of 1 mole of water? I mean gaseous. 1 into 22.4 liter. Yes or no? When I will take the ratio, I believe that 22.4 will cancel out. So what will be 1 liter, half liter, and what? 1 liter again. Yes or no? Ratio will be same. So remember that for gaseous reaction, mole ratio is also what? Volume ratio. Mole ratio is also what? Volume ratio. Same answer will come. Is that clear to all of you? Is that clear? So correct answer is what? Second and third, which no one gave me. Is that clear? Is there any chance in aqueous? No, no. For aqueous, we can't do it. This is not allowed for aqueous, right? This is only for gaseous reaction, not for aqueous. Is that clear? No worries, no worries at all. Can I ask you a different question based on the same concept? Sir, I am from government college. I don't have any NEET coaching. Any problem with me, sir? No, no, nothing at all. Chaitra, there is no problem out here. And you just got to talk to your teachers, subject teachers, right? If you are having some trouble in biology, go and talk to your bio teachers, right? Botany and zoology teachers. In physics, talk to your physics teachers, and in chemistry, talk to chemistry teachers, right? But you need to talk. You need to discuss. Like, they are your mentors out here. Are you getting it? So they will be definitely helping you, whichever background you are coming from. We are here to serve you, help you, and make sure that you make your dreams come alive. No worries at all. But don't hesitate. Don't think that my doubts are like very silly doubts, and I'm from a small town, a small college. My teachers didn't told me anything in my 9th and 10th, 11th, 12th. It's completely okay. If your background is like, say, bit weak, right? In that case, you have to work harder. That's it. Just work harder, bache, and don't give up on your dreams. Never ever. Right? Where dreams come true. Right. SGMA, where dreams come true. But dreams will come true only when we are willing to leave our comfort zone, right? If you will feel that, sir, I'm not good at the English language, then what my teachers will think? No, they will not think. No, they are here that my girl and my boy, they do not know the subject like, say, physics or chemistry or, say, biology. Their job is to make sure that they simplify your problems. They solve your problems, right? And I believe that every teacher out here, nothing will make him more happy than solving your problems, your doubts. But you will have to fight back. Don't give up, right? In case you are having a test and you don't score, right? That when you don't score, your scores goes down. That is not the right time to feel depressed or, say, negative or whatever, right? It's time that you take the feedback from the teachers, right? What went wrong, what I should do, right? Where I went wrong, what is wrong with my strategy? Like, sometimes what happens, people, they have way of thinking, right? They have a certain way of thinking. And even if this way of thinking is not working for them, they will stick to it. That is called being in the comfort zone. I will say that please leave this comfort zone, change your way of thinking. If you are not getting results, with this way of thinking, don't lower down the expectation of result, right? Don't change your dream. If your dream is to reach here, and by your level of thinking, you are reaching here, don't bring your dream down. You need to change your thinking so that you can meet your dream. Elevate your thinking. Right? Don't be too rigid. Don't act like grandma and grandpa, right? Old people, they are difficult to change, but you guys are like clay, wet clay. You can change yourself. So please change yourself for your better future, right? Getting it? We are here to help you out and ask as many doubts as possible. But before asking any doubt, my suggestion is that please fight hard. Try to solve the question. When you read the question, I will not suggest that just pick up the question and go to teacher, sir, please solve it. Sir, please solve it. It is not going to help you much. I want that read the question and then try to solve it. Even if you can walk, like, say, 1 or 2 steps ahead only, it's completely okay. But work hard. Be a warrior. Develop that mentality. Once you develop this mentality, and when you will go to a teacher to ask your doubts, you will understand better, much better. But if you will say, sir, please solve it, then I don't think much is going to happen, because you have not changed your way of thinking. You have simply filled this brain of yours with some more data, some more answers. When you go and ask a teacher that I am solving it this way and I'm not getting my answer, what is wrong with my thinking? You need to attack on that way of thinking. You are not getting answer because of the way of thinking, right? So we got to work on that stuff. Is that clear? So come here work harder, change way of thinking, and work smarter as well. Right? Sometimes people come, they work very hard, but they don't change their way of thinking. INEC is very easy, bachche. Nasir, INEC is very easy, provided that you have a good command on the concentration terms and like say mole. If you have a good command on concentration terms and the mole concept, INEC is very, very easy. Yes, we will need some decent dose of calculations, I believe, which I'll make it very simple for you people. Right? That's my expertise is. I almost delete mathematics from chemistry. Right? I'll make it very simple. Getting it? So I have a class right now, boys and girls. So I'll be leaving you as of now, and I wish you all the best. And I will be here to welcome you if you are coming out here. And please don't hesitate to ask any of your doubt when you come out here, right? Empirical formula, Ramya, that is very simple. That we will do when you come out here. We'll be doing many questions on empirical formula, right? God bless you. All the best. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.